Hello guys, so today I'd like to show you how to sign up with Global Internet Fortunes, or how to create a free account with Global Internet Fortunes, because a lot of you guys have been reaching out to me and asking me a lot of questions, and I just want to get this over with. Yeah, so first of all, you want to open uh, your browser, be it Chrome, be it Phonics, be it Opera Mini. Just open your browser. With me, I use Chrome, so I'll just go right into it and open Chrome for that reason. So right there, and then go to the search bar and then type www.globalinternetfortunes.com to go directly to the site that we are talking about, that is Global Internet Fortunes. So yeah, as right now it's loading. Yeah, my network is a bit low, so you guys will bear with me. It will take a little bit of time. Let me skip the video so that we can, you know. Alright, so there we have it. On top we have login, we have join, and we have support. So on the top right corner, you can see the menu bar. So right there you can see what you can search about GIF, whatever you want to search about GIF. If you have questions about their airtime offers, the reasons why people join GIF, the web hosting services, the pay plan, the knowledge base, FAQs, GIF blogs, any questions you have about GIF, any doubts, you can clear them through the menu bar, the red thing on the top right corner. Yeah, so you can go there and then scroll through, just read through and know a lot about Global Internet Fortune. So here is the homepage. They provide highly dynamic websites. They are the top domain registrars in Kenya right now. You guys, this is a lucrative business. If I talk about lucrative, it is lucrative, especially right now. Yeah, so the services they offer, the web hosting services, the domain registrations, network marketing, all of that is just right in front of your eyes. So this is just something that you can work right from home, you guys. It's just so easy, right? Yes, so make sure you just sign up or share. Also, you can also share this video with your friends who would like to have just some part-time business while they're in school or while they're doing other businesses, yeah. So I'll just take you right into joining. Yeah, so we'll just tap on the join bar. Yeah, okay, did I tell you that it is the top domain registrar in Kenya? Did I? Okay, now you know. Yeah, so we will just go right into joining. So I'll tap into join and then my page will load for some time. As you can see, I've already tapped into that. So once you tap on join, this page will pop up right after. So first things first, in order to join GIF, you must have an inviter. So you just need an inviter's username or inviter's details to join Global Internet Fortunes, because it is a network marketing company and you just need a referral. Every network marketing company you must have a referral in every network marketing company. My inviter details, let me say my username is Moya. So I invited you, or someone who has sent you to watch this video has invited you, so they must provide a username. So my username is Moya, and that is what we are going to use right now to join Global Internet Fortunes, right? Yes, so we'll just type Okay, so once you enter the inviter's details and click here to continue, all the inviter details will pop up in the green tab. So that is how you will get information about your inviter. So you can reach out to your inviter for guidance, for mentorship in the business and all of that. So that is how you are going to reach your inviter, so that you can get guided through and get to know more about the business, how to make people join and all of that, how to invite people, things like that. So it is just easy as that. So first we'll go to registration. So in order to register, there are some details. All of us know that whatever things that we try to register online, we have to fill in some details that are needed in there. So I'll just go right into filling these details, that is name, username, all of that. So make sure you use a username that no one else is using in this platform. So I'll use JJ. JJ has already been taken. So you will be notified when someone has already used that username, so that you can think of something else. So I just use JJ779. So we will just put a password right in. On emails, make sure you use an email that works. Yes, because you have to verify the email. If you don't have an email that already works, make sure you create another email. Yeah, so it's just easy. You just create another email and use it. Yeah, so it's not a lot of details that are needed right here, as you can see. So let me just fill in all these details and get back to you guys. So you have to agree to all the terms and conditions and of privacy policy, all those things. You guys know these things. So you just have to check all those empty boxes to agree to terms of GIF, yeah, and their policy. And then you go through the security code. This might take a little while, just like it did to me right now. Yeah, so you guys, I'm just entering these details. Okay, this may take some time because right down there they might say invalid captcha, whatever. So you just have to do it again. So the details you just put, you might have to put the details again and then check the boxes and also check, put the security codes again. So the invalid captcha is just like you entered the wrong numbers right there. Even though sometimes we don't enter the wrong numbers, it might be because you took a longer time to enter the numbers, so you just have to re-enter quicker. You understand? Yeah, so the capture, yeah, that's the capture that they're talking about. I had to do this like 2 times, 3 times. Yes, I had to do it 3 times to go through, because I was a little bit slow in entering those digits, the capture digits. What's wrong with me? The capture digits. Yeah. So let's see what goes on right after. Ha! Oh, finally we did it. So thank you for registering. Thank you. Please check your email for verification. So you can go ahead and save password, but with me, I didn't want to save the password. So yeah, it depends on your mobile device, by the way. That option might not come through. So yeah, so please check your email for verification. So I'll just go right into checking the email. So I went into homepage and I was told to log in. So instead of logging in, I just went straight into my emails so that I can get access to the email they sent. So they usually sent a link. Let's wait and see. Yes. I'll go ahead and tap on Global Internet Fortunes right there. So we have our email already set, dear James, all of that, our details. So we just click on that link and it will tell us that email verification is successful. So to log in, you just tap on that login, the orange checkbox. Yeah, so you just tap on that to get straight into the dashboard. Yeah, so this is how your account will look like. You can buy airtime, you can, by the way, this business is really nice. You guys, let me tell you, if you buy airtime worth 50, you get 100 worth of airtime. 50%, 50%, you guys, 50%. If you buy worth 1000, you get 2000 worth of airtime, 50% of your purchase. Yes, so this business is very lucrative. You all guys should join. This is just the latest of Global Internet Fortunes. If you guys want an updated version of the pay plan, how things work with Global Internet Fortunes. I know a lot of you guys have heard rumors that, oh, GIF is a scam, Global Internet Fortunes is a scam. Come on, you guys. Still working till to date. Come on, you guys. This business is lucrative. It works. So you guys, you should join Global Internet Fortunes. If not right now, then today. Yes, it works. So I'll just go right in and tell you guys how this works in another video. If you guys want me to do that video, let me know in the comment section so I can explain the nitty-gritty. And if you haven't watched the first video on Global Internet Fortunes that I have in this channel, it's probably the second video in this channel. Make sure you do. And here you will have, while you scroll towards downwards, you'll see the next commission payday. It is always every week, every Friday. So the next commission's payday today is on our Wednesday. So we have 1 day and some few hours for us to get paid, so here we have your inviter details will be shown there. James Jared JJ 779, that one as your user invite, your inviter username, and then your inviter details will be Moya Elizabeth, which is Moya as a username. So you guys join Global Internet Fortunes before it's too late. Come on, this business is growing and it's expanding in Kenya. You should. And it's also expanding in East Africa. We are almost going to the whole world, so make sure you do so. I'm not saying you'll just be surprised one day when your favorite person in the internet, or your favorite, let me say, your favorite celebrity talks about Global Internet Fortunes. That's when your eyes will open. If I talk about it right now, you cannot hear. You're deaf, right? Okay, time will tell. So you guys, I think this is the end of this video. No, it's not the end. I have something else for you guys, so stick around. Okay? All right. So the one thing I haven't talked about yet is the person who will get the invitation details, like me now. When you register, I will get your details. I will get an email notification. Hi Moya, so and so has registered under you, or so and so has joined the business under you. So all the details will be sent to my emails, your details, your email, your username, so I can easily find you and coach you and mentor you. So if you love this video, make sure you give it a very big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and like this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you